rice my whole entire life, it's safe to assume that I know how to make it. I think many people mess up the basic steps when cooking rice. Learning how to make rice can benefit you. It's quick and easy, so you can make it anytime you want. Now our first step is to pour the rice inside of the rice cooker. Next, add water to your rice and start to wash it. Wash the rice until the water is no longer murky. If it still is, wash it a couple more times until the water is clear. Now place your rice in the rice cooker and close the lid. Once you've closed the lid, select the right settings on your rice cooker. Once your rice is done, open the lid and start to fluff your rice. When you're done fluffing your rice, place in a bowl, serve, and enjoy.